Hello guys, good morning. This is Ferdy and we're at Nara. And for today, maggagala lang tayo. So this is the part 1 of our video. And sa nakikita nyo, meron deer dito. This is the deer. Medyo nakakatakot. So daming tao, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo dadaan. Nagbabaw sila. Outside the Tadaiji Temple, dito nakikita niyo yung mga deer na naliligo. Bali doon tayo pupunta. So we're at the entrance. And may mga usa dito na medyo chill lang. There's many people since Obonya sumi pa rin. So there you go. It's like Nagoya Joe. We are here already and nakabili tayo ng ticket. The price is 1,200 yen or 1,200 yen each. And that's the temple. The Grand Temple of Tadaiji. Pero pasok tayo dito. Nandito na tayo sa harap, guys. And papasok na tayo dito sa temple na to. Grabe, ang ganda. Very big. Ito isang malaking temple lang, whereas sa Nagoya, parang multiple temples sila. Pero ito kasi, ma-appreciate mo talaga since historical talaga. Tingnan, mas matanda pa siya sa Nagoya, Joe. And maraming tao sa nakikita niyo. So, dito sa loob, they house this very big Buddha. Ayan siya. Ganda. So, meron pa dun sa kaliwa. Pero ito yung main statue nila. This is what they call Shibi. Shibi? Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? And ito yung lore about sa kanya or story. So, it's also an old piece of the castle or temple. And ito sa kaliwa yung isa pang Buddha. Ito yung pangalan niya sa baba. That's Kokuzo Bosatsu. So meron sila ditong miniature construction of the temple. There you go. Meron pa din sa kaliwa at kanan, pero parang malayo ata. And this is the story about it. I think they don't have it in English. That's why we cannot understand. So, ito yung model dati. 1/50 ang size. Every time we go out, we have this commemorative medal. Osaka, Tokyo, Kyoto, Nara, Nagoya Port pala. They have this. Napakadami na naming medal. So, ayun lang. Kuha lang kami ngayon. Well, that's what they have inside and let's proceed dun sa next destination natin. So, that's what we have in Nara and hindi ko na kayo spoil. Marami pa kayong pwedeng gawin dito. And ito na yung outro ko.